Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we are going to take you through some meats that we're smoking up for the Pantry challenge. We're going to do 2 chickens and a bunch of trout. And spoiler alert, these turned out absolutely fantastic. We used our Code 3 spices on the chickens, and we did like a beer can chicken type recipe. The trout, we just used salt and pepper, and we smoked it with, I believe we just used peach wood this time for the trout. As no, we used peach on the other one. This one we used a hickory, and it was a little bit strong, but it was totally okay. So everything just tasted great, and you've already seen videos that we totally demolished the trout, and we had to vacuum seal and put up some of the chicken because we just couldn't get through it. We are using the Smoke and Text that my dad gave me a while back. This thing is a game changer. It made this job so easy, and we are definitely going to be using this smoker on the regular, especially during the winter months whenever it's cold. Like we kind of smoked out the garage, but we really didn't care because this is just a wonderful piece of equipment that we will continue to use. Greg invested in some thermometers for us so we could wirelessly keep track of the fish and the chicken because they're two very different cuts of meat. So we wanted to make sure we timed it right, and obviously the trout was done way earlier than the chicken. So this new piece of equipment is just a wonderful thing to have to make sure that we don't ruin our precious little cargo in this smoker. Now we did do these. We only have 2 probes, so we only put the probe in the one chicken. And I will say that we didn't get that inserted in far enough, and we did have a couple issues with that one, but we're trying to work through that to make sure that those issues don't happen again so we could get correct readings. We cooked all of this at 225 degrees. This is an electric smoker, so the electric piece is going to heat that up, and we are going to be left with these beautiful products. This trout is amazing. We put a glaze on it of balsamic glaze and maple syrup, and it was to die for. The chicken we just left as is, the way that we coated it, and it was fantastic as well. We were not disappointed. We had many leftovers, and it was fantastic. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye y'all.